ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? क्या तुम बस अभी जागे हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? क्या मैं थोड़ा ले सकता हूँ? Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। No, not at all. No, not at all. लेकिन मैं इसे अभी चाहता था। But I wanted it right now. But I wanted it right now. क्या कुछ गलत है? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? मैं इस पोशाक में कैसी लग रही हूँ? How do I look in this dress? How do I look in this dress? आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो। You look great. You look great. इतना प्यारा अभिनय मत करो। Don't act so cute. Don't act so cute. यह बहुत गर्मी है। It's so hot. It's so hot. क्या मैं पंखा चालू कर सकता हूँ? Can I turn on the fan? Can I turn on the fan? ये बहुत भारी है। It's too heavy. It's too heavy. मैं सब कुछ अपने आप करता हूँ। I do everything by myself. I do everything by myself. हमने क्या किया था? What we did. What we did. सब मेरी साथ थी। Everyone was with me. Everyone was with me. वो मेरे पास आ रहा है। He is coming to me. He is coming to me. उसे जाना पड़ा। He had to go. He had to go. उसे क्यों जाना पड़ा? Why he had to go. Why he had to go. उसे कुछ काम करना था। He had some work to do. He had some work to do. हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए। The truth should always be told. The truth should always be told. शाम करीब आ गई। The evening come closer. The evening come closer. बाइक को धीरे धीरे चलाई। Ride the bike slowly. Ride the bike slowly. तुम इतनी बेचैन क्यों हो? Why are you so restless? Why are you so restless? आपकी परिवार के सदस्यों की संख्या कितनी है? What is the number of your family members? What is the number of your family members? गोपाल पिछले 2 दिनों से बीमार है। Gopal has been ill for the last 2 days. Gopal has been ill for the last 2 days. इतनी चिंता मत करो. Don't worry so much. Don't worry so much. आप बहुत थकी हुई लगती हो. You look very tired. You look very tired. आप धार्मिक के बारे में कितना जानती है? How much do you know about religion? How much do you know about religion? मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप हमेशा खुश रहे. I want you to always be happy. I want you to always be happy. तुम अब कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? क्या तुम मुझे पहचानती हो? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? आपका घर बड़ा है. Your house is big. Your house is big. सफल होने का एक ही तरीका है कि कड़ी मेहनत की जाए. The only way to be successful is to work hard. The only way to be successful is to work hard. अभी बहुत कुछ सीखना बाकी है. There is still a lot to learn. There is still a lot to learn. इस समय कितना बज रहा है? What time is it now? What time is it now? मैं अब पहले से थोड़ा बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I feel a little better now than before. I feel a little better now than before. दुर्घटना कैसी हुई? How did the accident happen? How did the accident happen? मेरी पास अभी समय नहीं है. I don't have time now. I don't have time now. कोई नहीं बोल रहा है. Nobody is speaking. Nobody is speaking. कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं था. Nothing was difficult. Nothing was difficult. एक बार काफी था. Once was enough. Once was enough. दिन बहुत व्यस्त रहा. Had a busy day. Had a busy day. मुझे आशा नहीं लग रहा है. I don't feel good. I don't feel good. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. मैंने अपनी घड़ी खो दी. I lost my watch. I lost my watch. मुझे लगता है कि इसका स्वाद अच्छा है. I think it tastes good. I think it tastes good. मुझे लगता है कि यह बहुत अच्छा है. I think it's very good. I think it's very good. मैं तुम्हें फोन करूंगा. I will give you a call. I will give you a call. मेरा गला खराब है. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. एक बार और कृपया. Once more time please. Once more time please. अपने हाथ ऊपर करो. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. मैं आपको मैसेज करने वाला था. I was about to text you. I was about to text you. मुझे मूर्ख मत बनाओ. Don't make me fool. Don't make me fool. वो यहाँ नहीं है. He is not here. He is not here. उत्तेजित मत हुइए. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. क्या आप शर्ट लगा सकती है? Can you beat? Can you beat? मैंने वो कल भेजा था. I sent that yesterday. I sent that yesterday. माफी मत मांगो. Don't apologize. Don't apologize. मैं आपको कॉल नहीं कर सका. I couldn't call you. I couldn't call you. मुझसे दोबारा मत पूछो. Don't ask me again. Don't ask me again. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा. I am getting angry. I am getting angry. आप क्या करोगी? What will you do? What will you do?